Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we power off our Technophone guys. You want to power off your Technophone, so friends how can you power off? In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all guys what will you have to do to guys power off guys your Techno mobile. So as you can see guys your power off button setting guys, you can see this power off button. So guys press on guys your power off button for long time. Then guys you can see your power of setting as restart setting. So guys you can see the power off. So I tap here and do like that. Then guys your phone will power off. So after 4 and 5 seconds guys we will on our phone. So it's now time to start guys on phone. So we will turn on guys our phone guys. So press on guys power off button for long time. Then guys you can see Techno powered by Android guys. You can see your phone will power off it. Guys your phone will power on guys now. So I hope friends you understood how to power off and then how to power on Technophone. So you can power off and on from like that. Friends you can see this Techno and guess you have any pattern and password. So guys draw your pattern. So guys wait here is loading. So it's now you can operate your phone. So I hope friends you understood how to power off Technophone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.